let this window up, as you seen, and look, it doesn't even have all the debris. It's a little, not much, a couple of spider webs over here. Dust carry is mostly what that is. And then, you know, and then this is amazing. This window just don't have any, like, I don't know why this window is really a good window. It didn't let down. See, if all my windows was like this window, I wouldn't have the problem I'm having with the spiders and stuff. But most of my windows drop.